Okay, I'm here with my new SodaStream. Ooh. And I've already spent like 15 minutes trying to get it out of the box and get it put together. So far I've gotten this. I'm not good at following instructions, so I don't really know what to do. So it said to replace the back cover, and I did that. So it's on. It's set in stone, kind of. Next I'm supposed to, it says don't use any tools. Okay, well that's okay. I've got to fill this thing up. Ugh, it smells like fish. Hold on. Hold on. We'll clean it first. Okay, it smells good. So let's get water out of the fridge, because everybody knows fridge water is colder. At least I think everybody knows that. Is fridge water colder? Huh? My wife is building a dollhouse beside me. She'll probably have the dollhouse done before I get this done.
Follow directions.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that. Okay. Almost there. Perfect. Okay. Alright, I'm excited now. Okay, hold on. Press the tilt lever. Lever. Wait. Fill the bottle with water to the fill line and chill. I don't want to chill it.
It's already chilled.
Oh, it is
that
chilled.
That will be if your water's not cold.
Okay. Press the tilt lever and screw the bottle into the drink maker. Okay, so do this. What's the dog doing?
Scratching.
Okay. Okay. Press the button in short presses until you hear the buzz. Whoa.
Short presses.
Short?
Yes.
I gotta hear a buzz. I didn't hear a buzz.
Short presses until you hear a buzz.
Oh. So I just... Do I hold down? Oh, 3 buzzes will produce a standard fizz. I think I,
Oh, we don't have extra fizzy Coke?
Whoops. Did you hear a buzz? I didn't hear any buzz.
I guess the buzz or something. Look, you're making me forget which piece goes where.
Press the tilt level. And, whoa. Okay. Screw it. It doesn't look like it's got a lot of fizz in it.
Taste it.
Taste it? It smells fizzy.
What does fizz smell like?
Oh, it's got fizz.
Oh, now it's not. You shook it.
No, I'm supposed to shake it.
Oh, please tell me I did this right.
Remove the rear cup. Oh, okay. Okay, carbonate only.
Oh, I thought the same.
Wide range of flavors. Okay, well we're going. Whoa. Okay, well these are the flavors. We're gonna do orange. Orange. It's supposed to taste like. It's supposed to taste like Fanta or Sunkist or something like that. So let's move this thing out of the way. Okay, now what is it? Hold on. What does it say? Fill bottle, carbonate, bend the top, and twist to open. Squeeze the soda mix slowly into the bottle. Close bottle. Where's the cap? Where's the cap? Oh, there it is. Okay. Close. Bend and what? twist.
Bend and snap.
Bend and... Huh? Bend and snap? Or bend... Shut up! Bend and twist. Bend and twist.
I've never seen Legally Blonde.
No?
Okay, then you don't know what the bend and snap is.
No? Okay. Bend and twist. Oh! Oh! Ooh! This smells like Fanta.
Does it take that whole thing?
Yeah. Squeeze the soda mix slowly into tilted bottle. Tilted.
Slowly.
Go! This is tough.
I'd like to see you build this.
I think I got it all. This smells ooh. Okay. Close bottle and shake gently.
Very gently.
Allow a few seconds. Man, this looks tasty already. Almost done.
This feels very much.
This smells like Sunkist. That's what it smells like. See?
Smells like almost like an orange cream soda.
Ah, no, don't give me a glass. I'm excited. Get out of the seat, cat! Alright.
Hey, I'm almost done. You started before me. It really took you this long.
Okay, shh. Here we go.
What's wrong with it?
I don't know. That's okay.
It's got too much carbonation in it.
Too much carbonation? So next time don't put
I'll put
8.
6 in it when it says 3. Yeah, that's all it is. It's got too much carbonation.
You think that's what it is? That's still pretty good. Yeah, that's what it is.
Which,
Should I pour it out and do another one?
no. Let us sit open for a little while.
Oh.
Maybe that'll make something go away.
Well, there you go, folks. That is the SodaStream. Right here. Choo-choo.
I'll let you choose.
SodaStream. You can get it at all your favorite retailers. Actually, you can't get it at your favorite retailers because they don't sell it at Walmart. You can get it at Staples. That's where we got it. And it's $80. Huh?
The best deal.
Staples had the best deal because their soda packages were only like $5 each. So you can get Staples $80, and it comes with a CO2 cartridge that fills like 155 cans.
Unless you put 8 squirts in it.
Unless you put 8 squirts in it, yeah. So, but yeah, they have 50 flavors, including things like Red Bull and stuff like that. So, other than that though, it's pretty tasty.
Done.
There you go.